Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever the heck in the world you are. It's the notorious, glorious V, the Guerrilla Economist, coming to you live with some amazing announcements. We got some great announcements coming up right now, folks. We have with us Dex, the algo capitalist, and with him, the man who's simply known as the Ever-Seen. His name is Frank. And they got some big announcements ahead for the Watchers Trade Room and all the things that are happening over there. And also, guys, if you haven't gone to the Gadfly, go join the Gadfly. It's thegadfly.vhx.tv, thegadfly.vhx.tv. Go over there and join. I just did an interview over there. So check it out. But other than that, go to the Watchers Trade Room at watcherstrade.io. Frank, Dex, what's going on? What is this big announcement? What's happening?
I think people are probably guessing that we have Dex on our Watchers Trade announcement show. Well, very big news, folks. If you haven't figured it out yet, we have Dex, the algo capitalist, is officially joining Watchers Trade as the new leader of our trade room. So if you sign up, or if you're already signed up at watcherstrade.io, he's going to be running our room now, and we are absolutely thrilled. We're honored. We're ecstatic to have him working with us. And so, Dex, we welcome you. We know this is going to be just really great news for people who have been following what we do, and we're excited about it. So, welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate that. It is a pleasure to be here. I'm looking forward to some amazing things going forward. Let's do this. I'm really pumped about it. The ability to bring multiple products, in addition to the cryptos, is going to be an amazing boost for subscribers. Yeah. You're not just handcuffed to one thing. You can trade stocks, you can trade futures, you can trade Forex, and you can trade your beloved cryptos as well.
Yeah, that's one of the things that people have to understand. With Watchers Trade has always been a crypto-only room, with just mentions here and there of other things. But we're going to continue to have a strong emphasis on crypto. But with Dex, you can literally watch him trade anything. And so that's a huge upgrade to what we were doing before. And so now it's going to cost you $7,000 a month. No, I'm kidding. We're not changing the price. We're not changing the price, people. You're getting all this, and there's no price change. So we're going to continue with an emphasis on cryptos, but or we're going to continue to have crypto trades, I should say. But Dex brings literally everything. And we have another video that we're going to be releasing going over the little details and stuff like that. But for those of you who don't know what Dex does, he spent 25 years developing a system that is absolutely mind-blowing. And it's the thing that's amazing about it is how powerful it is, but how simple it is. He pushes out updates every night with everything that he's looking at for the next day. And you can just go and choose. And he gives you great direction on what to choose. So it's pretty amazing. And I've been just looking at the stuff and have been blown away so far. So I'm just so thrilled for our clients that they're going to be able to get to this.
Absolutely. And, the good thing is that, with the weekly pulse wave price triggers, it's putting the client first. The subscribers will be able to make money and earn as they learn. You're not going to be overwhelmed, with 6 months worth of study course material. It doesn't work like that. Yeah, I do have some study course material on it, but you can earn as you learn, and it's not going to take you forever to do it. We walk through step by step how to place a trade and how to monitor the trade, how to move your stops. All that good stuff is there, and then some. I don't want to spoil all of the goodies, but there are many goodies that you will see in the trading room, as you will also have access to the trading room folders and also the introductory study course. I don't care if you've been trading for 10 years. I strongly will advise everyone to listen to the introductory video that is in the trading room study course folder. You're going to hear some things that I guarantee you have never heard before. And it's going to take your trading to the next level for those of you who are seasoned traders. And for the new people who've never even placed a trade, you may have bought some crypto, you may have not even done that yet. This will be an awesome opportunity for you to take years worth of knowledge and information and be able to benefit from it without having to make all the mistakes and pitfalls that most people do. The majority of people, when they first start out, back in 1998, a study was done that showed that the cost for learning, if you were just to step out on your own and learn how to trade consistently profitably, it would cost you in excess of $100,000. You would blow through that before you made a dime. Well, we have eliminated that because now you can put the algorithms on your side and just do exactly as they tell you to do. Execution is 99% of trading. And what I mean by that is you have to be consistent and disciplined in placing your trades accurately. For example, if I were to tell you today we're going to buy, let's say, Ethereum at X price.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? The discipline comes in with you placing that ticket when I tell you to, ahead of the market, and then wait for the market to perform and come and get you. This is going to be an amazing transformation for a lot of people who are not used to trading like that at that level. No more being chained to your computer, watching 5-minute and 1-minute charts. You will never look at another 5-minute or 1-minute chart ever again. You're going to learn to trade like those who know what they're doing, not like the majority of people who think they know what they're doing looking at 5-minute and 1-minute charts. No, you're going to be able to place trades in less than 5 minutes and then leave your desk and go and play golf or play with the kiddies or spend time with your wife or your husband. That's what you're going to be able to do. Lifestyle change.
That's awesome.
For the better.
Yeah. Yeah. This few lines keep coming in my head. It's going to be less time. You're gonna trade. You're gonna work less. You're gonna learn more. You're gonna earn more.
There you go.
And I think that's the next phase in the life of Watch Us Trade. We're psyched about that. Yeah. So we're going to be posting, obviously, so all of our members, you're going to get this stuff. You're going to get emails about it. But just those of you who've never been in there, we're going to be onboarding people onto the Pulse Wave trading system, which is what Dex has developed over the last 20 plus years of being a full-time trader. And so in addition to having the awesome, powerful tool that is our chat room, and he's going to be in there talking to people too. In fact, he'll show up in there as soon as this broadcast is done. He's going to go in there and say hi and start talking to people. In addition to having that, we're going to be onboarding our members over the next couple of days to get his Pulse Wave emails sent directly into their inbox every day. So if you're the kind of person you love to be on there chatting, talking about trades, you can stuff yourself on that in the Watch Us Trade room. But if you're the kind of person who just want to check your email, make some decisions, and move on with your day, you're going to have that as well. So this is going to literally accommodate all styles of trading. You're going to love it. So obviously we've been looking at this stuff while we've been talking to Dex, and we're super excited about it. So I don't know. That's really all we have to say. It's awesome. We're excited. We're thrilled to be working with Dex, and we've got some great things ahead of us.
And the great thing too is, like you just said, you've seen it, so you know what it's about. It's not like, oh no, we never seen it. No, you have seen it, and you can testify to it. I don't like to toot my own horn. I like for the people in the trade room to tell me and give me the feedback on what they're doing, because at the end of the day, folks, we're not successful if the traders in the trading room are not making money. Exactly. We're only as successful as you are making money.
Yeah. Talk. I know I made you do this before when we were in our other video, but talk a little bit about that. Your philosophy on what makes you happy, what makes you sleep well at night when it comes to your clients.
My philosophy is, number one, having a fantastic product for a competitive price backed up by tremendous customer service. And what that spells out is you're not profitable until your traders in the trading room are profitable. Doesn't matter if we had 1 million people subscribe to the trading room. If no one's making money, then it's just a waste of time.
Right.
So we're only successful when the traders in the trading room are successful and making money. And that's what this is about. It's about getting you in the trading room, earning, creating an extra income stream for yourself and your family. That's what all this is about.
Awesome. I love that. That's great.
Yeah, before you go get a second job and, trying to, hey, let me go get a job at Walmart, Costco, whatever, trying to get some extra income, learn how to trade, make money, because there are literally tens of thousands of people in America that are now doing this, and this is their secondary form of income. And for a lot of people, it has replaced their primary form of income. So that tells you a lot, number one. Number two, folks, here's the deal. I mean, the system that we have here is a system that you do not need to be glued to your computer. It's very freeing. So if you want to go have a day date with your spouse, you can do that. You want to go pick up your kid. You don't want to you want to miss something. You can do that. You just want to take a little break and go watch some television. You can do that. You're not sitting there paranoid, wondering, oh my God, what if I missed this? What if I missed that? No, it's about getting the gains. It's about catching the trade, and the pulse wave trading system does that. And it's a remarkable system. It's developed by Dex, someone who has over 25 years experience working in Wall Street. Hey, what more can we say? What more can be said? And it'll tell you exactly how to get into cryptos. And most importantly, the real money is in the market. And I've said this before, when everybody else was screaming and talking about stock market collapse in January, Dex and I were on here last week and we're like, dude, I mean, January was one of the best Januaries in 30 years for stocks. The money machine is rolling. The money machine is rolling. Do you want to get paid, or you want to sit on Dogma? Dogma don't pay you bills, man. Dogma don't pay the bills.
And this is not a fad. You won't have to chase fads anymore.
No.
When the cryptos were going up, everybody was a genius.
Yep.
Everybody was a genius. And I kept beating the drum saying, hey, you guys, watch who you're listening to and following, because when the trend changes and it becomes a bear market, what are you going to do then?
Mm-hmm.
And look what happened. So you got to learn to trade the correct way.
Yep.
And not chasing fads.
No.
You chase price, not fads.
Correct.
You follow the price. And you don't marry anything.
Mm-hmm. So you can't be approaching this be like, y'all married to Apple stock. The hell with that. You got to be pragmatic in the way you look at things. You chase the price, you chase the profits, you chase what's going to put food in your kid's mouth. That's what you chase. You chase what's going to pay that light bill at the end of the month. You chase what's going to pay that mortgage, that car note at the end of the month. That's what you should be chasing right now.
Absolutely.
Bottom line. This is an opportunity. This is not just for you guys to learn how to watch and trade and learn how to trade. This is an opportunity for you guys to develop a new income stream that's going to radically and revolutionarily change your life. And the more proficient, the more hard work, the more time you put into it, I mean, there's no other way to put it, but go balls to the wall with it, okay? The better off it's going to pay dividends to you. If you're going to pussyfoot in it, dip your toe in it, you get in what you get out, okay? You get it. You get in what you get out what you put in. The old saying goes, right?
Mm-hmm.
The other thing, folks, is this: we have the crypto aspect of it, but guess what? There's going to be trading aspects to it. So with trading aspects, what are the two terminals that you recommend, Dex? It's either
for what you're going to want to do when you're trading, to advance and go to the next level, you're going to want to open up a standard brokerage account. The two that I like, and no, I don't advertise for them, I don't get paid for them. It's just that I've been using them for a very long time, and that's Interactive Brokers and the Thinkorswim platform through TD Ameritrade.
Yep.
And what you're going to want to do is get set up so that you can trade stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and Forex. You want to do it all, so that you're not restricted, and you'll be able to trade based on what the market is telling you. Like if you need to do a particular strategy, you'll be able to do it because you have the permissions on your account to do it. And for those of you that are overseas, Interactive Brokers is a better way to go because they have a lot of international clients.
They have a global footprint. Yeah. And here's another thing. Here's a quick question that I got, man. Can they do watch us trade using the Robinhood app?
I'm not familiar too much with Robinhood. What is that?
Robinhood. It's an app on your phone that allows you to trade stocks.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can. It doesn't matter, pretty much what your platform, as long as you got
And
a
it's free.
trading platform where you can, buy and sell.
And
And
here's the
so,
thing with Robinhood, man. Here's a killer thing with Robinhood. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. You can do stocks, ETFs, options, cryptocurrencies.
oh, well, then there you go.
Yeah.
Can you sell short with those, with that app?
I'm not exactly sure.
Yeah, I don't know if Robinhood is a full featured trade.
No, it's not full
Yeah.
feature.
It's
but
more.
It's
more like I think it's more of a buy and hold platform.
Yeah, it's a long
probably.
only solution. Yeah,
Yeah, I think so.
You can only
Yeah.
buy. Okay,
Yeah.
then
And
that's
what-
not going to do it. You can use it, but that's not going to cut it. You want full trading access, order types, the whole nine. So
Got it.
that's what you want. Yeah, you can use the Robinhood app, but you're going to be limited to only longs, only buys. So you have to look for buying opportunities, and then that's it. You won't be able to sell short. You won't be able to do options. You won't be able to do a lot of other things that you're going to want to be able to do. And your order types are very important too.
Yeah, the chat room. Some of our friends in here are saying it's not going to be good. One other question: we got a couple people who are currently only trading cryptos. They've got relatively small accounts. Maybe can't afford to jump in with a full-fledged brokerage account. Watch Us Trade has always had an emphasis on cryptos, and we're not leaving that, right? We're still going to be able to do our crypto traders for those who are into that.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yep. I mean, you'll be crazy today to not pay attention to cryptos. I don't care if it's in a bear market, a bull market, or a consolidated market. You can't ignore the crypto market. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So yes, you will be able to trade those just like anything else. And for smaller accounts, people that have less than $10,000 of risk capital to trade with, you can still open an account at the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, or you can open
and that's mobile too.
Yeah,
TD Ameritrade is also mobile.
Yes, you can trade on your phone, or you may also want to consider one of the micro trading outfits like O&A.
Cool.
Yeah, awesome. O&A will let you open up an account for like $100 or whatever their minimum is now, and you can trade down to increments of 1 penny. Of risk.
Excellent. Solutions, man. That's what Rogue News is all about. Solutions.
That's right.
So it's for everybody. That's awesome, man.
I love it.
Well, anyway, Dex, again, welcome, man. We're super excited. We're getting this news out to the room. I think people's minds are going to be blown.
People are going to be psyched, man.
Yeah.
The responses have been insane.
All right, cool.
It is, and we're going to make this happen. So the day has come, folks.
All right, do it, folks. Go to watchustrade.io if you're not in the room. If you are in the room, log in and give Dex a big welcome. We're privileged to have him, and make sure he feels the love. There's a lot of love.
There's a question. There's a question in the room. If I have subscriptions to both the Pulse Wave and Watch Us Trade, could I cancel Pulse Wave? Dex,
if that's what they desire to do, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's up to you. It's up to you guys. Yeah,
yeah.
We're definitely not going to tell anybody to cancel Dex's stuff, but it's up to you. If you have both, obviously, there's going to be a redundancy there.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. So basically, if you're already, at the Watch Us Trade Live, then you don't need to do anything.
Yep. And Dex will be in there answering questions too.
Anyone who is not, anywhere, then you want to come on over to the Watch Us Trade Live. Anyone who is, with me, over at the other room, I'm still going to be there doing what I have to do. But if you want to come on over to the other place, I can't tell you what to do. You do what you feel you need to do. But my people in my other trading room, you're not going to be lacking anything because I'm still going to be there as well. And we're just expanding our family at this point. That's what we're
doing. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Very well.
All right. Well, we got to get to work, V.
Yeah, we got a lot of things to do.
Yeah, we're gonna get to work now. So we're gonna cut this, but
absolutely.
Very excited. Watchustrade.io.
Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
Likewise. Peace.